Hey, good morning. Today it's a nice day, and we're gonna shoot with Auto 50. This is a camera from USA, which is United States camera. That was a company from Chicago. They made also the Auto 40, but that is for another video. And it's a rebranded Japanese camera. So I have black and white film, the Kodak T100 on it, and let's take it for a spin around my neighborhood, and let's see how this baby will perform. Okay, so no more talk, and let's do some pictures. Okay, have fun. All right, so a few thoughts about the Auto 50. I use the film. The shutter works relatively okay. I can hear it. But when you roll the film, you want to try to go from one position to the next one. It seems like it's jamming a little bit. So I will develop the film and I will see how the frame is there aligned. And also I will do a little bit of check and clean up on the camera itself. All right, so let's see how that works.